system. Now, I would like to complicate a little bit the things, and I was preparing something more like Kubernetes. So what I would like to do is actually installing Minikube, and I can specify a specific version, 1.13, for example. I'm running on an ARM machine, so I'm using ARM64, and I'm going to download on the /download directory on my user. Same story. Ansible inventory, and this file is called playbook.yml. So what it's going to do behind the scene is downloading Minikube, verify the checksum, and try to install on the target machine. We're going to end up with an error because, well, the super